my crafty friends. It's Julie Creek from Creek Bank Creations. I'm here to share with you today about the Tiny box die. This is a very simple box die, and you can see it's not very large. It measures 1 5/8 by 1 5/8, small box. And I designed this to go inside our Skinny Dippin' mini album. So this is your basic album that we already have made for you, so you don't have to build the spine and do all the work, and when you open it, it's blank inside. So if you have not seen the videos that I have produced, I have a whole line of videos that explain the different ways to use this. And today we're going to talk about a third way to use it, and that is adding that tiny box die to the album. So let's start by looking at this fun, happy album that has our Celebrate die on the front of it. And these albums were all created by Diane Morris. She's added the inside pocket die on the front of this album. And the inside pocket die cuts that pocket for you, but it also cuts the decorative paper so it fits perfectly on the front. And then Diane has added the giant tag from our giant tickets and tag die. When we open up the album, what we see is the Countdown to Retirement album. Soon you are retiring. We wish the best for you. Open up one box each day for treats and our thanks too. So Diane has typed this and die cut it. And then she's used our new number stickers to add the Countdown to Retirement. So this is a sticker sheet that I specifically designed to use with this tiny box die. So this is our gold countdown number sticker sheet, and it has your numbers 1 through 31. I added extra 1s and extra 2s in this sheet, and you have Merry Christmas, Countdown to, Birthday, Your Special Day, and Retirement. So you can use this on the front of the album, or you can use it like Diane did here on the inside. And then you have the numbers that are sized to fit the boxes. And you see here, we have the tiny box dies. And these are made so you can adhere them to the base, and then you can put a treat on the inside of your box. Hold that shut, and you just have a really nice little gift to give. So let's look at the birthday one, and then she's used the same inside pocket here, the giant tag. Like, is that fun or what? And then we're going to open it up, and this has the countdown, 10 days to your birthday, and she's decorated it with the sticker sheet. She's used the flap die here to make that little flap, and used our sticky dot Velcro for closure there. Super sweet. And then you have all the little boxes set up, and you'll see how she put some on the left side and some on the right side. So you can think about anything that you want to count down. You have a fun way to do it. Isn't that clever? And you'll see here, there's enough room to put the boxes on both sides of the album. Fun, fun, fun. So let's take a look at the Christmas album. It's always everyone's favorite one. So we have the inside pocket attached to the front. And again, giant tag die here. It's called Tickets and Tags. And we have the Poinsettia Die and the Pine Branch die. And then we open it up, and Diane has applied the 12 boxes to the right side. Open that up. There's a place for a treat. You can actually get a Hershey's Kiss in there, or you can put a note. And then Diane has this 12 Days of Christmas saying that she printed on the other side. You have a place for your signature. And this is just a really fun countdown project that you can put together. And we are offering the tiny box die on our website, and the gold sticker numbers makes for a super easy project. You can find these great products on our website, www.creekbankcreations.com.